My name is Karrie Bomstad with Staging Spaces and Design. We are here today at this beautiful Hayden Homes model home in Bend, Oregon, where I will be showing you some tips and tricks for holiday decorating and how to make the most of your space when setting up for the holidays. Today we will be showing you a modern farmhouse Christmas style, but these tips apply to any holiday decorating style that suits you. We added little touches throughout the home and we'll be covering the front porch, fireplace mantel, the dining room table, and of course the tree. So let's get started. We are outside here on the front porch, an important space that welcomes all guests into your home. There are many simple and beautiful ways to dress up your front porch. When decorating, always keep in mind to use weather-resistant decor options. If you have front porch furniture, a fun way to incorporate decor is by using festive throw pillows. You can also use blankets to drape over chairs for a pop of color. Dressing up your window plant shelf with greenery, lights, or even ornaments is another great way to pull in color to the porch. Don't forget your front door. A wreath, tree, and doormat will bring the space together. A few things to remember when decorating your mantel. Add height and dimension. We added a wreath to the mirror, which definitely adds a simple yet festive touch to the family room. How to hang garland damage-free. If you have a wide enough mantel, you can lay the garland directly on top of the mantel, like we've done here, or you can swag in front of the mantel. Either way, you want to secure the garland with command hooks that can easily be removed without damaging the paint. You can use real or faux greenery and add different accessories for depth and texture. Pick a theme and stick with it. We tied in existing colors used throughout the home, but also used other colors on theme for Christmas. If you have any books laying around, you can wrap them with wrapping paper and display them on your coffee table. The same goes for empty boxes. Wrap them up and put them on display. We also converted the blanket ladder to a stocking holder and secured the stockings with shower hooks, and of course added a strand of little red truck twinkle lights to tie in with the theme. The tree, the star of the show. How to decorate a tree like a professional. First of all, invest in a high-quality tree, real or artificial. It's important to fluff and shape your branches. You definitely want to spread the branches out to make the tree look more full and natural. Choose a theme. For this tree, we were inspired to incorporate a farmhouse style with a modern twist. We added a black and white tree topper along with some black and white plaid bows and 3 different colors of ribbon, which helps it feel chic and classic all at the same time. Next, let's talk about the lights. The first thing you want to do is make sure all of your lights are in working order prior to putting them on. If you want to keep your lights on the tree for the years following, we recommend wrapping the lights around each branch. Here we use 3 different colors of wired ribbon to achieve a beautiful cascading ribbon effect. Once the ribbon was in place, we filled in the gaps with sprigs of berries, tree picks, signs, and ornaments. There are many tree skirt options to choose from. This year, I am loving the non-traditional tree skirts such as galvanized collars, wood crates, baskets, and chunky throws. We decided to complete this look with a rattan collar, which gives it the organic vibe that we were looking for. Dining table. Dress to impress with everyday practical decor. Bringing the outside in at Christmas really is such an effective, inexpensive way to make your table decorations more festive. Try strewing your table with some branches, stems, and pine cones, and of course adding chargers and placemats. Thank you for joining us. From all of us at Hayden Homes and Staging Spaces and Design, we hope you and your family have a warm and happy holiday season.